Hello friends and welcome back to my channel Auditing Tricks, which is one-stop solution for all your audit related queries. In this video, I will tell you the whole checklist which you can use to verify a bank reconciliation statement of any company or a firm. Starting the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you get all the notifications and all the videos. Hit like to this video if you like the content and share it with your friends and family members. Also, you can share your comments and feedback in the comment section. So guys, let's first understand what is the bank reconciliation. A bank reconciliation is a critical process that ensures the accuracy and reliability of the financial records by comparing the entity's internal accounting records with the transactions reported by bank. By reconciling the difference between these two sets of records, bank reconciliation helps to identify errors, discrepancies, and fraudulent activities. It facilitates the detection of unrecorded transactions. Ultimately, bank reconciliation contributes to the integrity of financial reporting by providing assurance that cash balances are accurately reflected and financial transactions are properly recorded. It serves as a vital control mechanism to safeguard against misstatements and fraud, thereby enhancing the overall transparency and trustworthiness of the financial information. Now let's see what all checks we can do while verifying the bank reconciliation prepared by a company as an auditor. The first check is that you can check how many bank accounts are maintained by the company, whether there are 2 banks, 4 banks, or how many banks a company is maintaining in their accounting system. After that, you can check if there is any SOP or guidelines or a policy which is prepared by the company for performing the bank reconciliation. You can verify how and at what frequency these bank reconciliations are performed in the company. After that, you can obtain bank reconciliation for last 6 months or any periodicity you feel like as per your audit period, and you can verify if they were consistently prepared or not. You can verify it as per against the SOP prepared. What frequency is mentioned in the SOP, you can compare it with that. You can review whether it is prepared and reviewed by different persons so that segregation of duty conflict is also maintained. Now let's see what all we can check in the bank reconciliation. You can obtain original bank statement and verify the authenticity of the bank balances which were captured in the reconciliation. If you don't trust the accounts people who have prepared that, so you can perform this check as well. You can obtain bank balance confirmation directly from the bank as well. It will be very authentic, or you can download the online statement from the bank account of the company. You can verify some of the transactions from bank statement with the accounting entries which were posted in the books of accounts. It will help to verify the accuracy of the transaction, their amounts, whether it is posted on time, within the dates, and the description is also correct. You can identify any outstanding checks as well, like there are checks which were issued but not yet presented in the bank. They will be coming as a gap in the bank reconciliation, and you can verify since how long they are being kept like that. You can verify the checks which is received and accounted in the books, but they were not deposited in the bank. This will also create a variance in the bank reconciliation statement. Let's see what further we can check. So you can verify the check which were deposited in the bank account but they were not credited in the bank. This will also be highlighted in the bank reconciliation statement and you can verify and ask the reasons why it has happened. You can review the bank statement of any fees, bank charges or any kind of deduction bank may have done in your account, and you can ensure that the fees are accurately recorded in the books of accounts. Most of the company do not record it on timely basis, which leads to a variance in the bank reconciliation process. You can also check for interest earned on deposits or any other income which is credited or received in the bank account but not properly accounted in the books of accounts. That will also lead to a variance in the bank reconciliation. You can verify if there is any payment which is credited in the bank but it is not accounted in the books. You can check the unreconciled or the unidentified differences also, which might be noted during the bank reconciliation activity and how they were recorded and adjusted or whether they were resolved or not as on date. So guys, these were the simple steps you can do to verify a bank reconciliation statement of any company or an entity. I hope I have answered a lot of questions which were running in your mind before starting the video. If you still have any questions, you can share your comments in the comment section and I'll try to answer all your queries. But before signing off, please subscribe to my channel so that also you can press the bell icon so you can get all the notifications of my videos. Also hit like to the video if you like the content which I have shared with you. You can share the link of the video with your friends and family so they can also learn about this process, and you can share your comments or feedback or any other process which you like me to make videos on, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and have fun.